Opening. The first light in eternal darkness, Irodar 330. There is a moment, deep beneath the ocean's surface, when light disappears completely. No sun, no moon, no reflection, only darkness, thick, endless, and absolute. And then something glows. A soft blue pulse, a sudden green flash, a living spark in a place where nothing should shine. It appears without warning, moves without sound, and vanishes just as quickly. Down here, light is not comfort. It is a signal, a warning, a weapon, sometimes a lie. Tonight we descend into a world where creatures glow in the dark, not for beauty but for survival. And the reason they glow is far more unsettling than it first appears. Chapter 1, Where Light Becomes Dangerous, 339 Ward. At the surface, light means life. But as we descend past 200 meters, sunlight weakens, then fractures, then disappears. This is the beginning of the deep ocean, a place where darkness is permanent. In this world, any light stands out like a flare, and that creates a deadly problem. Because if you glow, you can be seen, and being seen means being hunted. Yet, against all logic, millions of deep-sea creatures produce their own light. Scientists call it bioluminescence, living light created inside the body. But the real mystery isn't how it works. It's why something would risk glowing in the darkest place on Earth. And the answer begins with fear. Chapter 2. The pressure that creates monsters, 9 Sakya and 15 Mart. At 1,000 meters below the surface, pressure becomes crushing. The water presses in from every direction, strong enough to collapse submarines. Here, life slows. Movement costs energy. Food is rare. Mistakes are fatal. Creatures in this zone can't afford to chase prey, so they wait. Some hang motionless for hours, days, sometimes longer. And when they glow, it's not to be seen. It's to be mistaken. A tiny flicker mimics drifting plankton. A soft pulse resembles harmless debris. To prey, the light feels safe. Until it's too late. This raises a larger question. If light is a trap, how many glowing signals in the deep ocean are actually lies? Chapter 3. The Lure That Never Misses, 1522 Cow. Now we descend deeper, into a realm of almost total stillness. Here lives one of the most famous glowing predators on Earth, the anglerfish. From its head extends a glowing bulb, a living lantern. It sways gently like a candle in slow motion. To smaller fish, it looks like food. To scientists, it's one of evolution's cruelest tricks. The light isn't just bright, it's tuned, matched perfectly to what prey expects to see. Scientists still don't know how these creatures evolved such precise control over light, color, and intensity. And that leads to an unsettling idea. In the deep ocean, evolution doesn't just adapt bodies, it engineers deception. Chapter 4. When Light Becomes Invisibility, 22:1-28. As strange as it sounds, some deep-sea creatures glow to disappear. This adaptation is called counter-illumination. From below, predators look upward, searching for shadows against faint surface light. So some fish glow on their bellies, matching the brightness above them. The result? No shadow, no silhouette, no target. They erase themselves with light. To us, it seems impossible, using glow to become invisible. Scientists still don't fully understand how these creatures adjust brightness in real time, which raises another mystery. If animals can hide with light, how many glowing creatures have we never seen at all? Chapter 5. Signals in a World Without Sound, 28 Su, 35 Hour. In the deep ocean, sound travels far, but vision is limited. So some creatures use light to communicate. Short flashes, rapid pulses, specific patterns, a glowing code. Some signals mean attraction, others mean warning. Some may mean territory or identity. But here's the problem. We don't understand the language. Scientists can observe the flashes, but not their meaning. What we've discovered only deepens the mystery. Are there complex conversations happening right now in total darkness that humans will never decode? Chapter 6, The Chemistry of Living Fire, 35 Sir 42 Gao. So how does living light actually work? Inside these creatures, special chemicals react, releasing energy as glow instead of heat. No flame, no warmth, cold light. Some animals make it themselves. Others steal glowing bacteria and house them like living lanterns. In return, the bacteria get food and shelter, a partnership forged in darkness. Scientists still don't know how these relationships began, or how such fragile systems survive in an environment so hostile, which suggests something profound. Life doesn't just survive extremes, it negotiates with them. Chapter 7. The deeper we go, the stranger it gets. 42 at 50 hours. Below 3,000 meters, the deep ocean becomes alien. Creatures here glow constantly, not in flashes, but in eerie, steady light. Some glow red, a color most deep-sea animals can't see. Invisible light. Predators use it like night viz.